Hey guys, Czar back with you. Hope all is well. Watching the three sisters right now, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow, as you know, if you follow my videos. Looking to take a short right now, and I'll explain that. Oops, just missed it. Wait till it comes back. Give me one moment. My own platform here for 1 second. Just missed that entry here. Wow. I was trying to click record to get this going here. So if this pulls back, I'm guessing it's not going to at this point. If this pulls back to my entry, so I'm going to place a stop bracket here. Give me one moment. Or a sell bracket, not a stop bracket. At 201.25. You see that there? 201. Okay, we might get it. We might get this here, guys. If it pulls back, right there. In. Okay, good. Got it. Might get one more attempt here. Well, this is not a live stream, so it doesn't matter. And sometimes if I do live streams, I want other people to potentially have an opportunity. Okay, and then we just went back right there. Okay, now anybody that would want to get in here with this similar signal that I've talked about before had a chance now. Of course, this is not live, but you get the idea. I'm going to bring you back to Vwap. Is Vwap? This is just a chart that I sent to my group. This is the Dow. This is the NASDAQ. There we go. It's coast to coast move. And then this is the retracement back towards Vwap. Now we're not obviously at Vwap yet. We're making its way. But what we are at is the opening price. What we did tap, and I'm going to mark it off here so you can see it very clearly. This is opening, and that's the exact point that we tapped here, guys, to the pip, or to the point, if you will, right here. And this is the entry. And it's not looking great right now, but it's not looking terrible yet. So I'm going to give this a little bit of time. But this has been a wild day. You can see here in the New York session, we went to 2.5 standard deviations away from the volume weighted average price. We drove all the way down to 2.5 standard deviations below. First, new low, and then third pivot, if you will, third low there on those 2.5 standard deviation lines. And now we've pulled all the way back. We've tapped the New York Open. I should make this a red line because that's what I use on my sister's charts. Here's what it looks like. Let me take you back there. See right there on the NASDAQ? Right? This is that pullback, and that's the New York Open line. Tapped it within, looks like half a point, which is close enough. Now watching closely. There we go. For now. And back to Vwap. It's going to copy this, paste it over. Oh, that didn't work, did it? Must be a different contract. Yeah, these are micros and the other ones are minis. Okay, so that explains it. But you can see where the entry is right. Here. Looking for 20 points on this, guys. At 2.4R. Significant move. We're asking quite a bit here from this. It's 182, 182. Just make sure I'm at the same place on my own platform. And now patience. Patience. I'm gonna go for 2R on this, guys. It's so whippy. There's 2R right there. It's just a very messy. We're also in Twilight Zone, by the way. Twilight Zone is it's 12:23, so we're at lunchtime. The Europe markets regular trading hours are closed already, and things can get pretty darn sluggish here and sloppy. Patience. Being bought up here now. I'll put you on pause for now, guys, and I'll bring you back. All right, guys, while we got some time here, I'm just going to explain to you what this trade is all about. Make sure everybody understands. This was fairly standard, self-explanatory trade, but impulse wave down, zigzag corrective, and then a continuation of the impulse down here in the afternoon. But the pullback to both VWAP or near VWAP and the New York open line are the pivot points, right? Having gone coast to coast. So we were already extended to the upside, sold off to an extended downside, reconciled that by bringing prices back to almost volume-weighted average price of all transactions that occurred in the futures trading session, which started Sunday night at 6 p.m., by the way. So last night, New York time. And now a continuation of that solid move down that was corrected and reconciled. And now I'll put you back on pause. Pushing down a little bit now. Just wanted to bring you back, see if we can close this thing out. Looking for a 2R here at 17 points on the NASDAQ. And not yet. Okay, back on pause. And we're back. Driving down here a little bit. Let's see if we can finish this thing out. Patiently waiting for this thing to hit the promised land. Looking for that 2R. Having taken 3 trades this morning, this is the 4th trade. Taken 3 trades, 2 of them were back-to-back losses, and then one win that brought me back into green by 1 or 2 points. And that was quite an interesting and unusual situation, but very rational despite an irrational market, and we're able to pull it out, or pull it off, I guess you could say. One more push here, and we're done, guys. 2R. Thanks for joining me. I won't take any more of your time. Please click the like button if you will, and leave a comment, and we'll have an amazing day, an amazing week if I don't see you again. Take care.